Hi guys, I hope everyone had a great week. Here I recreate another one of my old nail designs, and this one is one of my favorites. I really hope you like it too. For the background, I don't have a light purple, so I mixed some white with a dark purple and I applied it on my nail with this brush. It's a new brush that I have and I wanted to test. It didn't blend as I was hoping, but I really think this brush will do better with acrylic paint. Anyway, I apply 2 layers and after that I go on the nail tip with 2 layers of black gel that I also blend. I apply a silver glitter, and before I cure I stick some big sequins. And if you try this background, I really suggest to do all your nails in the same time. Like this you can actually save some time. Even though I use gels, I apply very thin layers, and like this the gel just doesn't have time to go on the sides, you know, it's not going into my skin. And yeah, this background didn't take me a really long time to do, even though I apply quite a lot of layers and I cure each one, so don't be afraid to try it. Because I like my background to be smooth, I apply a top coat, and because the acrylic paint sticks better on a matte surface, I apply a matte top coat, but this is totally optional. For the flower, I use acrylic paint and a flat brush. I did not find the same pink acrylic paint like in my first video, but I think the one that I have here, it's very similar. And yeah, I put on each side of the brush the 2 colors and I blend them a couple of times. I do this because I like the bristles to be full of paint. To do the flowers, I just move the brush up and down very gently and I drag it. And again, I suggest to work with all of the nails in the same time. While you do the other nails, the paint has time to dry, and this is the perfect moment to apply another layer. And if you notice that the brush has paint on the sides that starts to be too dry, don't hesitate and clean it and start all over again. From what I saw, almost everyone has a different way of doing this kind of flowers. I personally like to work with very thin layers, and I really recommend to apply not more than 2 or 3 layers of paint on your flowers. And I totally forgot to film, but I used the paint directly from the tube. I didn't add any more water. Also, I used, before I used the brush, I soaked it in water and I removed the excess water on a towel. Here I do some dots with black acrylic paint. After the acrylic paint dries, I apply a gel top coat and I apply 2 layers of gel top coat just to make sure that everything is sealed. And yeah, this is all for this nail design. I really hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.